Given the arithmetic series, find the sum of the first 20 terms of this AP. Solution. Now we have as minus 0.5, then plus minus 2.1 plus minus 3.7. So we can write these as what? You can see here, these denote that we have some numbers here. So it makes this series to be an infinite series. So we can write this from the back again. So we have the first term, which is minus 3.7. Then we now have the second term, minus 2.1. And we have the third term to be minus 0.5. So this arrangement is better because this one is telling us the first term plus the second term plus the last term, then plus other terms. So in this case, what is the first term? The first term, T1, equals to A, and that is minus 3.7. And here we have the second term, which is T2. T2 is minus 2.1. But we need to find our common difference, which is T2 minus T1. What is T2? Minus 2.1. Then minus, look at, T1 minus 3.7. You can see T2 is minus 2.1. And minus this minus that we have here. Then T1. T1 is already carrying minus before. So this will give us D to be equals to what? Minus 2.1. Then minus times minus we have plus 3.7. So now this minus 2.1 plus 3.7. So we have 3.7 minus 2.1. So in this case, 3.7 minus 2.1 will give us 1.6. And D equals to 1.6. Now, we can now, since we know the value of A and we know the value of D, and from the question we're given the number of terms, because from here, find the sum of the first 20 terms, meaning N equals to 20. We can now apply the formula. So in this case, since we know the value of N to be 20, we know D to be equals to 1.6 and we know A to be equals to minus 3.7. Then this relationship is telling us that we can now use the what? The second formula. Second formula, which is sum xn equals to n over 2 into bracket 2a plus small bracket n minus 1 d. That's the second formula. So what is n from here? N is 20. Anywhere we see n, we put 20. So we have 20 over 2 into 2a. What is a from here? We have a to be equals to minus 3.7. A is minus 3.7. Then plus, what do we have here? N minus 1. N minus, that's 20 minus 1. Then times, what do we have as our D? D is 1.6. So in this case, we have 2 here, 1, 2 here, this is 10. So this is 10. Now, 2 times minus 3.4 will give us minus, it's just like 37 times 2, which is 74. Now, 2 times minus 3.4 will give us minus 7.4. Then plus 20 minus 1, we have 19 into bracket 1.6. Now we have 10 into minus 7.4, then plus, what do we have here? 19 times 1.6 will give us, if you look at 19 times 16, that should be 304. So 19 times 1.6 will give us 30.4. That will give us 30.4. So in this case, we now have 10 into bracket minus 7.4 plus 30.4. We can write this as what? 30.4 minus 7.4. And this is 10 into what? 30.4 minus 7.4 will give us 23. That will be 23. So in this case, 23 times 10, that will give us 230. And this is equivalent to x20 because n equals to 20. So the value for the sum of the first 20 terms of this AP is 230. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.